There's a little bitty flame burning deep in my heart. You wanna make something of it. Do you feel the same? Maybe just a little spark. You wanna make something of it. Do you wanna turn it into something that's burning like a raging fire out of control? Well, I'm waiting for you. Tell me what you wanna do. You wanna make something of it. There's a little bitty seed growing deep in my soul. You wanna make something of it. You got everything you need just to help it to grow. You wanna make something of it. Run wild like a vine if you only took the time to meet me in the garden of love. It'd be a sweet situation if you had the inclination. Wanna make something of it. Oh yeah, I admit it. I love you, yes I do. What you do with it is all up to you. Oh yeah, I admit it. I love you, yes I do. What you do with it is all up to you. There's a little bitty flame burning deep in my heart. You wanna make something of it. Do you feel the same? Maybe just a little spark. You wanna make something of it. Do you wanna turn it into something that's a burning like a raging fire out of control? Well, I'm waiting for you. Tell me what you wanna do. You wanna make something of it. Well, I'm waiting for you. Tell me what you wanna do. You wanna make something of it. Well, I'm waiting for you. Tell me what you wanna do. You wanna make something of it.
This dance is called Tush Push. It is a 4-wall, 40 count, intermediate level line dance, choreographed by Ferrazzano. Weights on the left foot, 7, 8. Tap right heel out to the right, touch right next to left. Double tap on the right heel, heel, heel. Come in on the and count on the right and tap left heel forward, touch left next to the right, 2 heel taps on the left, heel, heel. Come back on the and count and heel and heel and heel. Switching each heel alternative as you do so. Clap. Bump hips forward for 2, forward for 2, back for 2. Forward, back, forward, back. Right shuffle forward, right shuffle, rock forward on the left, recover right, shuffle back on the left, shuffle back. Rock back on the right, recover left. Shuffle forward on the right foot, step forward on the left, make a half turn pivot right, shuffle forward left, step forward on the right, half turn pivot left, step forward on the right, pivot a quarter turn left, stomp your right next to your left, clap to finish off the dance. Just going back to the first bit with the heel touch, heel bits. So 7, 8, right heel, touch, heel, heel on the right, step back on the and on the right, touch left, forward, touch left next to the right, double tap on the left heel, heel, heel. Step back on the and, right heel, step back on the and, left heel, step back on the and, right heel. The dance with the counts. Weights on the left foot, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, clap 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, rock 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are no tags or restarts in this dance.